Today, we're going to learn how to make Play-Doh ice cream sandwiches. You can see we've got a delicious ice cream sandwich here. But let's see who's inside. It's Olaf! Why, hello everybody! Oh, this ice cream is so nice and cold, just like snow. Let's have a play! Let's see what's inside this multicolored ice cream sandwich. It's Stuart the Minion.
Yabba-dee-da-da-ba-da-ba-dee. Oh-da-da-ba-da-da-da ice cream. Yabba-da-ba-ba.
Let's see what's inside this ice cream sandwich. Oh no, it's the Phantom! Woo!
Yabba-dee-da.
Why, hello there, little buddy. Who's this? Whoa! Whoa! Ah! I'm out of here.
Yabba-da.
Ha ha ha!
Yabba-dee.
Phew, that was a close one.
Yabba-dee-da.
Say, buddy, do you want to go and play in the ice cream? I'm thinking maybe we could make a snowman just like me. Whoa. Oh no, is that who I think it is? Whoa. Whoa. All shall fear the Phantom. Hey, that's not very nice to go around scaring people.
Yabba-dee.
I mean, why don't you come play with us in the snow? Now it's time to learn how to make our Play-Doh ice cream sandwiches. Start off with your toy. Mold the toy inside the white Play-Doh and roll it flat. Use a knife to cut it into a square shape, but be careful when using a knife and get an adult to help you. Now roll out some brown Play-Doh and cut into the square shape, making a top and a bottom. Use a stick to poke holes into the brown Play-Doh. Take your next toy and roll several different colours into sausage shapes. Put them side by side and then roll them all together. This will create the multicoloured effect. Put your toy inside your multicoloured Play-Doh and then very carefully, using the knife, cut around into a square shape. Roll out the brown Play-Doh and cut around, making the bottom and the top. Then once again, use your stick to poke the holes in the top. And there you have it. You've learned how to make Play-Doh ice cream sandwiches.
Today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh pizza and pasta. Yum! For this, you're going to need red Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, brown Play-Doh, grey Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, a Play-Doh knife, a Play-Doh rolling pin, and a Play-Doh extruder tool. To start off, we're going to select the correct mould for spaghetti. Insert it into our extruder tool and then take the yellow Play-Doh. Give it a squeeze, and there you have your spaghetti. How fun! Lay the spaghetti on a plate. It looks super real, doesn't it? Let's add a bit more. Now we're going to take the red Play-Doh to make the pasta sauce. Roll it out flat. And then using the Play-Doh knife, cut a circle with wobbles on the edge. Just like this. Add it on top of your spaghetti. Now we need to make some meatballs. I'm taking the brown Play-Doh to do this. And I'm adding some texture, or some tomato, with the red Play-Doh. Keep going. I'm making 4 meatballs. Using my knife, I'm adding some texture. We don't want the meatballs to be too smooth. Now we need to add these on top of our spaghetti. Time to add some cheese. White Play-Doh makes perfect mozzarella flakes. Delicious looking. Now it's time to make our pizza. I'm making the pizza base out of yellow Play-Doh. We want to cut it into a circle shape. Now I'm taking red Play-Doh to make the tomato pizza base topping. We're also going to cut a circle, but make the edges a bit uneven. Add it on top, and then curl up the edges of the yellow to make it look like a real pizza base. Now it's time to make the toppings. I'm going to mix the red and the white Play-Doh. It makes a perfect pink for pepperoni. Using the edge of my rolling pin, I'm cutting out some perfect circles. I'm then using my Play-Doh knife to add some texture. Add these to your pizza. Now I'm making some mushrooms. I'm doing this using white and grey. Cut out the mushroom shape and then add a little bit of grey. This makes it look even more realistic. Repeat this process for as many mushrooms as you want. Don't they look great? I've got 3. Now it's time to add them to the pizza. Looking good. Now I'm mixing white and yellow Play-Doh to make cheese. I'm doing exactly the same process that I did for the pasta. Add the cheese to your pizza. And there you have it. It's a pizza, but it's made from Play-Doh. And doesn't our spaghetti pasta look awesome? And that's how you make Play-Doh pizza and pasta.
Today we're going to learn how to make Play-Doh donuts. Here you can see I have these yummy donuts. Let's see what's inside this one. It's a cheesy bee Shopkin. Hi there! Let's see what's inside this strawberry donut. Take the strawberries off the top. Wow, it's Spider-Man. Don't worry, I'll save the day. And what's inside this banoffee donut? It's Bubbles from Angry Birds.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Oh, I'm so worried. I'm glad I found you. What seems to be the problem, ma'am? I'm being followed by a bird. A bird? Let me have a look. My spidey senses tell me that is no ordinary bird. Let me protect you.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Ha ha ha.
Oh no, you don't. Look out, ma'am.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Ha ha ha. Now let's learn how to make our Play-Doh surprise donuts. Take your Spider-Man toy and push it inside a ball of pink Play-Doh. Flatten into a donut shape. Now take some dark pink for the strawberries. Now take some dark pink Play-Doh and make into the strawberry shapes. Use tiny pieces of yellow for the dots and a small piece of green for the stalk. Use small pieces of white for the hundreds and thousands. And there we have our donut. Take your next toy and place it inside some yellow Play-Doh. Now let's flatten into a donut shape. Make sure it's very smooth. Make sure the toy is completely covered. Push down into the middle to make the donut shape. Now use small pieces of black and cover the donut. Let's use some brown Play-Doh for chocolate chips. Next, take some orange Play-Doh and flatten with the rolling pin. Using the craft knife, cut out some strips. Cut into small rectangles and turn up the ends, making some caramel curls. Be careful when using a knife and get an adult to help you. Why not try making lots of different types of donut?
Today we are going to be making some Play-Doh ice cream bars. Now these look super delicious, but don't forget you can't actually eat them. All you need to make them is a knife, a template, a rolling pin, coloured Play-Doh and some popsicle sticks. Remember, you can use whatever colour you like. So the first thing I've done is to flatten out my green Play-Doh. Now I'm tracing my template to cut out the shape of the ice cream. Now I'm doing the same thing with the orange Play-Doh. Now it's time to put the popsicle sticks in the bottom of the ice cream. Don't forget to decorate! I'm using pink spots on the green. They look cool, don't they? And now using the white, I'm cutting out another template. But this time, I'm cutting out some stripes and some triangles. Don't they look cool? And there you have it. It was that easy! Play-Doh ice cream bars. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching!